How to clear chat in Zangi application. Are you guys facing issues to clear chat in Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Zangi app on a mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now tap on the profile that you want to clear the chat. After you click on the profile, you will be provided with multiple options. Just tap on clear chat and click on delete for everyone. Tap on OK. After you click on OK, your chat will be instantly cleared. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna clear chat in Zangi application. If you guys have any issues regarding Zangi app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.